Well, you know what? If that New Year's resolution, you've already kind of nixed it, we've got some help for you.
That's right. There are some other ways to go about this. Dr. Michael Cohen with the Cosmetic Surgery Center of Maryland is here, and he's talking about some other ways to kind of approach your goals. And you're coming well equipped here.
Well, yeah, we're very excited at the Cosmetic Surgery Center of Maryland for this new modality. It's a new year, a new you. Everybody's concentrating on body. Right now, people have made New Year's resolutions. They may or may not complete those. But even if you haven't, there's a really great modality to fix your body and do different things. This is called Coolsculpt. It's a very neat, innovative way to freeze fat cells. It's the only non-invasive, FDA-approved modality to get rid of fat and just melt it away.
I like it already.
Right. It doesn't involve surgery.
You push me forward, like, here, you get over there. You need the Coolsculpting.
Well, it's really kind of nice. It's nice because what we do is we put on this applicator on a body part, and it sits there for approximately an hour, and what it does is it freezes fat cells.
Oh.
Those fat cells will get absorbed by the body and dissolve. And within about a month to 3 months, you start to see major effects.
And this is the new way. What was the, should I call it old-fashioned way, the other way, the alternative?
Well, that's still relevant. Liposuction is good for certain patients in certain situations. For other patients that liposuction may not be the best tool, this happens to fill that niche, and it fills it very, very well. What's really great about what we have to offer at the Cosmetic Surgery Center of Maryland is that we have 2 devices. This is called DualSculpting, not just Coolsculpt, but DualSculpt, meaning that we can apply the applicator to both sides at the same time.
You mean of the body, so the stomach and the back portion?
Well, typically an area like our patient who has been very kind, Kelly, today to show us where it's being demonstrated. It's on one flank, one love handle, and on the other love handle.
Okay.
If places have this, they can usually only offer one side at a time. That takes about an hour treatment. You have to come back for another hour treatment. It's an interruption in your life.
And how soon after do you see results? Because I'm seeing pictures where it says 40 and 60 days. You can tell I'm quite interested.
Usually, yes. I think we have a very, very high satisfaction rate amongst our patients. They do see the effects. I've seen them. Patients come in. You don't see it right away because it takes a little while for the fat to get absorbed, but then all of a sudden it starts to blossom and you start to really, really see it. So again, I think this is really kind of neat. We have 2 devices. We could do them both at the same time, saving the patients money and also saving them time.
Gotcha.
And it's very comfortable.
What is this in your hand here?
Well, this is another device that we're going to talk about. It's called, this is an applicator or a little design that we put over top of patients who have cellulite.
Okay.
And cellulite is something up till now, which has been almost impossible to treat.
Tell me about it.
Right. So, not that you would have it or anything like that, but this is a little grid that we put over the area where we're going to treat. And what we do, it's a little bit more invasive than this because it requires a little bit of an anesthetic, but we use a laser to go ahead underneath the skin and release some of the bands that are responsible for cellulite. It also gets rid of a little bit of the fat, and it starts to treat the skin by heating it to a small degree such that it starts to thicken and tighten.
Oh.
So again, you see those effects usually in about 3 months. It takes a little bit longer to see that, but it also has a very, very high degree of patient satisfaction.
Gotcha. Hold on 1 minute. We're going to go to a commercial break, and when we come back, we're going to learn more about Coolsculpting and how to be body beautiful.
Okay.
All right. He's Michael Cohen, Dr. Michael Cohen. We'll be right back in just a moment.